If you've been online lately, you've probably seen ads for natural Glyco blood support everywhere. It's marketed as a breakthrough supplement that can manage blood sugar, lower blood pressure, help with weight loss, balance cholesterol, and even reverse insulin resistance, all with 100% natural ingredients. Sounds impressive. Maybe too impressive. The big problem? These are serious health conditions that normally require real medical care, lifestyle changes, and proper monitoring. Conditions like high blood sugar, hypertension, and cholesterol imbalances aren't something that can be fully fixed with a single supplement. So, when a product claims it can fix all of that quickly and naturally, it definitely raises some red flags. The marketing uses words like clinically proven and scientifically backed, but there's no actual clinical trial data, no published research, and no transparent scientific evidence shown anywhere. That's a major warning sign. Now, to be fair, the ingredient list includes things you might recognize: white mulberry leaf, juniper berry, berberine extract, bitter melon, and cinnamon bark. A few of these, especially berberine and cinnamon, do have early studies suggesting they may mildly support blood sugar levels. Berberine, for example, has been compared in some research to prescription medications for blood sugar, but these effects are usually modest and highly dependent on proper dosing. But here's the catch. Natural Glyco blood support doesn't clearly show how much of each ingredient is included. Instead, they use vague terms like exclusive blend and secret formula, which makes it impossible to know whether the dosages are effective or just sprinkled in for marketing. Without knowing the actual amounts, you can't realistically expect meaningful results. And like most supplements, it comes with the classic disclaimer. It hasn't been evaluated by the FDA and isn't meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, which is pretty contradictory considering how bold their promises are. So, is natural Glyco blood support a scam? Not necessarily. The ingredients themselves aren't fake, and some might offer mild benefits. But the way it's being advertised is definitely misleading. There's not enough evidence, not enough transparency, and too many exaggerated claims to take it at face value. Here's a tip for anyone watching. If you're interested in supporting your blood sugar or overall metabolic health, look for supplements that are backed by clinical studies, show clear ingredient amounts, and ideally have third-party testing. More importantly, focus on proven lifestyle strategies like maintaining a balanced diet, exercising regularly, managing stress, and getting regular checkups. These are the things that truly make a difference. If you're thinking about trying natural Glyco blood support or any supplement, don't rely on ads or social media hype. Talk to your doctor first and make sure it's safe for you. Supplements are not a replacement for professional medical care. When it comes to your health, smart decisions always start with real research, not clever marketing. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest breakdowns just like this. And if you want, I can also make a future video diving into the most effective, science-backed supplements for blood sugar and heart health, so you know exactly what works and what doesn't.